Yolo Group is the only packing facility in Chile with this system in place, a fact that secured us the local representation for the GSI printer brand here in Chile. And we are now offering your packing facility this unique opportunity to implement this solution, which will help to improve your overall performance and daily operation. To be able to print the required identification label, we first need to assign a specific code to the box. On the automatic filler side, we print the code underneath the box right on the bottom, and this code accurately tracks what the box contains. It does the exact same thing as the current self-adhesive label, but in this case, we use a QR code so that we can print the final label later on. This solution on the automatic filler side allowed us to completely eliminate the need for an operator. As you can clearly see, we don't have any manual labor or staff in this area to position each label inside the box, which makes this a fully automated solution. In this area with the manual fillers, we use the same concept as with the automatic filler. The only difference is that it's the person who passes the box through an encoder. As the box passes through this printer, the specific QR code that is used to track the individual box is printed, which then allows us to print the shipping label later on. We invite you to come and see this solution in our packing facility. It is already 100% operational. This will allow you to boost efficiency in your packing facility and have a cleaner looking palette in terms of label printing. Instead of manual labeling, which depends on a person and may or may not be applied correctly, this automated approach ensures the result is much more reliable.